Hey Trippin' Tea, it's Juanita here with an improvement. This is take 2. So just to keep up on standardization, we do have these amazing organizational tools for cleaning for our cleaning team in the morning. We got a new box maker and it wasn't one, so I asked Beak to create one. And I want to give a shout out to Austin and Abe for helping me actually build this. You guys, I manufactured it for myself. And then I'm gonna give a shout out to Dave for ordering the air wand. Before this, we would have to go over there and hijack Sean's air wand to clean it in the morning. Now we don't have to be thieves and we have our own air wand. So cleaning crew is gonna be located over here on this side of the box maker for us to clean in the morning. That reduces our waiting time, wasted motion, transportation, and it keeps our equipment looking good. Thank you guys.